everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my home. And today I'm gonna try to replace that filter. I got myself this 3M filter. It doesn't really say much on it, but this one here is, I think it's 20 inch by 20 inch. So let's see how this filter looks before we go and climb up the ladder and start messing with it. Let's open this up. This should be a 2-pack. I found it on Amazon. And I'm gonna put a link to it in the description, so if you have a 20 by 20, or if you're just looking for the same kind of brand or something like that, you can find it on the description link. And let's see what we got in here. So in here we have 2-pack Shakur. So there we go, Filtrete 1500 filtration level, whatever. Let's see, it comes with 2 of them in here, so let's separate them out. Because I only want to replace one. Okay, there's one, so let's give this thing a try. I don't know if one's the top or the bottom, but we'll just go up there and give it a try. Let's see how this goes. Oh, yuck. So this is the old one, and it's gross. I'm just gonna walk it down here. I'm gonna put this in the box just because it's disgusting and I don't want it to get everywhere. Okay, and then we'll put up the nice shiny new one. I don't know which way it's up or down. Guess it doesn't matter. Okay. See. Well, it's funny, there's a screw in the way, but let's stick it. Okay. And there we go. Simple as can be. And hopefully now I will have clean air in this house from that one. Now I have to replace all these other ones that are 1 by 1, so I'll do a review on those too, but I'll link to this is in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.